Chelsea is one of the poorest cities in Massachusetts, so with poverty comes additional crime. It comes with additional challenges that residents face.
Poor housing stock, the full range of pretty traditional problems that you would see in a community.
We have individuals that are being pressured to join gangs. We have an opiate crisis that Chelsea bears a great brunt of. So we have a lot of folks here that are in need of services.
So the Neighborhood Developers is the community development corporation that serves Chelsea and the neighboring city of Revere. But to build healthy neighborhoods, what we know is it's a really complex ecosystem. And so the only way we can address this complex web of problems is to partner with others who are addressing similar issues, but through their specialty. Our very first really deep partnership was Connect. We knew that for families to really advance, the sort of financial capability services we're providing just weren't enough. That then led to 4 years of learning how to really be a partner around integrated services.
I had the opportunity to explain about the resources available in the community, available here, because we work in collaboration with other partners. So I provide the referrals to the people that I provide services about food stamps, medical issues, career source.
I wanted to save for bigger things, and I didn't know how to do it. And by meeting Lucia, getting some help from her, I'm getting better.
Clients who have one service, 16% make clear financial progress. But if they have 3 services, 65% make progress. And progress means, on average, $804 a month additional income. That's a game changer for families.
Now Martha is going to school, and also she is working at part-time hours, and she's inviting more families to come and know about what we do here.
It feels good that I can give back to my community because someone helped me. Why not help another person? So it's like, yes, I can do this, we can do this.
The Neighborhood Developers is the backbone organization for the Chelsea Thrives initiative. That initiative is funded by the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston.
They challenged 20 small to medium-sized cities in Massachusetts to come up with a cross-sector response to a pressing problem in the community. What we settled on was that the real pressing issue that underlay many other issues was crime and the perception of safety.
When families come to the department, at that point, what is happening is that things have gotten to a point where people need services immediately. It's urgent, it's an emergency. It is at a point where families will fall apart.
What I've found from our own population at the House of Correction is people are exhausted. You have one agency that's trying to help you and that doesn't work out, and then you have to go and receive support from another agency.
We've been very reactive. You know, the phone rings, we get a call, we respond, we try to fix the problem, if you will. We can't operate like that. We have to be proactive.
The hub is an intervention before a crime happens.
Let's begin today's meeting with any new cases that we may have. Do we have any new cases?
The hub is a roundtable of different city agencies, state agencies, police, schools, mental health, Department of Children and Families, and we get together once a week. We present cases to individuals or families that are at what we call an elevated risk. We base that on certain risk factors. Could be drug abuse, alcoholism, school truancy, gang affiliation.
And the group determines what is the cluster of services that will help them, and then schedules within 48 hours a door knock to provide some intervention.
Door knock could be a literal door knock where 3, 4 partners go, knock on the door, and have a conversation with the individual or family. It could also be a phone call. It could be one provider is setting up a meeting time.
I think the best way to describe the hub is what we call upstream, downstream. And the concept is, and we do a great job of helping people when they're already downstream when they've already hit rock bottom. So we're trying to catch them upstream before they get to that point.
Early on in my career as a patrol officer, we had an individual that had problems with alcohol, he had problems with drugs, with domestic violence. We would respond to each and every call, probably once or twice a week, handle them as individual calls, address them. What he did is he killed his partner, he killed himself. If this would occur today, there'd be high-risk indicators in his situation that would be identified. We would work together as a team to actually work through these indicators, identify him as an acutely at-risk individual, and then within 28 to 48 hours, we'd actually get out and do a door knock and bring him in and try to get him the help he needs.
We're working smarter, and we're making sure that every agency gets to the individual that really needs them.
A testament to how successful the hub is that it grows every week.
We like to call it sometimes the silo buster, the barrier buster. It's actually created this really unique team that really loves coming here to solve the problems that our families and individuals in our community face.
I myself was a 24-year drug addict, and I've been 6 years clean, and that's why they approached me to do this job, because I can relate to the people that are out here. I used to run from the police, and now I'm sitting with the police. You know, I used to be in court, now I'm sitting with judges. I've been blessed to be here in Chelsea.
Interventions happen quicker, access to services is faster, and it's been absolutely incredible.
And it's coordinated, and there's a mechanism in place that makes it work, and I'm optimistic that this is going to get better.
We've learned to solve problems and really are working as the family that sometimes disagrees, but we're all pulling in the same direction.
And, we're just hoping that, if we look, 5 years down the road, if we look back and say, wow, what a difference this team has made, one person at a time, one family at a time, and hopefully things, in the long run will just be a greater city.